Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to introduce you to what's known as solving a system of linear equations. Solving a system of linear equations. Over the course of the video, I will ask you to pause and to think a few times. Please do that. That's very important to your learning. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is what exactly is a system of linear equations. A system of linear equations simply means two or more equations. Two or more equations. So, when we talk about solving a system of equations, we have to first kind of review what does it mean for a point to be a solution to an equation. So, let's look at the equation x plus y equals 7. So the point x plus y equals 7 is 2 comma 5. The xy is the point 2, 5 a solution. So how do I test that? I simply plug it in. So I plug the 2 in for the x. I plug the 5 in for the y. And 2 plus 5 is 7. The point 25 is a solution to that equation. Okay, what about the equation 2x minus 3y equals negative 11? Is 2, 5 a solution to this equation? Again, to test that, I simply plug it in. So 2, the x is 2, minus 3 times the y is 5. And my question, does it equal negative 11? That's 4 minus 15. 4 minus 15 is negative 11. Negative 11 equals negative 11. The point 25 is a solution to that equation. So if I talked about these 2 points being a system, or these two lines being a system of equations, and I asked, is the point 25 a solution to the system? What would we do? Well, we'd plug it into each equation individually and test, is it a solution? And of course, we've already checked this. The answer is yes. And if I said explain, it makes both equations true. Both equations true. All right, so the next thing I'd like you to look at is the point. So is the point negative 2, 0 a solution? Shit, spelled that wrong. Is negative 2, 0 a solution to the system of y equals negative 2x plus or minus 4 and y equals x plus 4? I would like you to pause the video at this point and actually plug that into both and answer the question, is negative 2, 0 a solution to the system? So please pause the video now and try that problem. Okay, so hopefully you've tried this problem at this point, and you can answer the question, is it a solution? So to test, we're going to plug in -2, 0 into each equation. So the y is 0, and we want to know, is it equal to -2 times the x minus 4? We work this down. Does 0 equal -2 times -2 is +4 minus 4, which is 0. It is a solution to the first equation. Now, being a solution to one does not guarantee it's a solution to both. So the next thing we look at is it a solution to the second equation? So this was our test on the first. Here we will test the second. So the y again is 0, because that's the y in our x comma y coordinates. We want to know, does it equal, because we plugged it in here, the x, which is -2 plus 4. So does 0 equal -2 plus 4 is 2. Does 0 equal 2? No. So this point is not a solution. So we've looked at what it looks like when a point is a solution, and what it looks like when a point is not a solution. Okay? The next video we will look at, what does that actually look like? What are we finding when we find a point that is a solution versus a point that is not a solution? So, see you in the next video.